Hi, I'm Peter, your jewelry craft assistant. Today I'll be showing you how I am making these diamond vintage domed earrings. I begin by alloying the 14K yellow gold. I am rolling out the flat bar, annealing the metal every few feet through. I am cutting the bar to desired dimension to create the base for the earrings and bending it to the round shape. I am soldering it and transforming it into cone shape with the help of a collet block. I am cleaning up the tool marks with sandpaper. To create the dome tops, I am pouring molten 14K white yellow gold over the charcoal block so it becomes a blob. I am flattening the blob with a heavy hammer and then rolling the metal flat. I am scribing circles over the metal with the dividers and then cutting them out with a saw blade. I am doming the metal with the punches. To create a space for the setting, I am cutting out a hole in the center of the domes. I am making the settings for both the center and top diamonds with a flat bar of 14K white yellow gold I previously rolled out. I am cutting the bottom of the top setting to create a spot for the post that I will attach to the base of the earring. I am creating a space for a thin flat pieces of gold which will both keep the center setting in place and serve as a spacing for the dome and the base of the earring. I am soldering the center setting to the dome. I am assembling the base and the dome. I am soldering the stud to the top setting. I am creating a spot for the clasp post to fit in. I am bending the stud to its final shape. I am pre-polishing the earring. I am phasing out the seat for the top diamond with a ball burr. I am placing the diamond in and bezel setting it. I am carefully phasing out seat for the center diamond, adjusting the seat with a hard burr. I am placing the diamond in and bezel setting it. The last step is a final polish. Mine cut diamonds look the best in vintage style pieces. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and in case of any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment sections. Bye.